If you want to check battery temperature on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, first of all, we can go to the Play Store because we need to download an app that allows us to check this kind of information. So we're gonna go to search over here, and as an example, I'm gonna use the DevInfo app. So we can write DevInfo, and you should be able to find this app over here as an example. There are multiple different apps that provide you this information, so if you don't like this app for some reason, just try anything else. So let's open the app, let's press agree and start. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime since the app is free. Now you might see this information where we can grant permissions for notifications or notification permissions for the app. However, if you just want to check the battery temperature, it is not really necessary. So now over here we can switch from the dashboard. Actually, over here in the dashboard we can immediately see the temperature over here, but we can also switch to the battery section over here in order to find the information about the temperature in this place. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.